a simple problem in integral calculus, there are two ways the average student can get confused by this. One is the fact that the equation seems complicated, and second is not knowing a fundamental formula in trigonometry. So let's see the question. So it says integrate from 6 to 8 the step function x square divided by step function x square minus 28x plus 196 plus step function of x square dx. And 4 options are given. So what do we do about this? The first thing is to know the formula, to identify patterns. Look at the problem carefully. So this was not meant to make you start substituting and doing a lot of things. So it's meant to say that let's look at step x square repeats. And then there is an equation. Now let's look at that equation. What does that equation show? There is 196. From 5th standard math, we need to be able to identify patterns again. 196 is 14 square. 28 is 2 times 14. So there is that means that the whole function is a square. Okay, so those are the two things. So one is the observation that 196 is a square, and now that because of that we can now put it into the form of basically a plus b square, right? X square minus 2 times 14x plus 14 square. That is clearly x minus 14 square or 14 minus x square. Once we do that and we know this formula in integration, that integral f of x by f of a plus b minus x plus f of x dx equal to b minus a by 2. There is absolutely nothing to do with respect to integration. We just have identified the pattern. So what is a plus b? So we are going to write it in that form. So what is a plus b now? Right away, 14. So we got it. So a plus b is 14 clearly. So that means that the formula applies now. So this is b minus a by 2, 8 minus 6 by 2 equal to 1. So just by knowing a formula and by basic observation, we have made this what seems to be a complicated problem into a very simple one. So the key here is that all these multiple choice tests are not just to be testing your brute force capability. It's also to test to see whether you're observing things, whether you're applying things that you have learned from very young class. So go back and learning all the formulae by heart, looking at the same formula in different ways is the key to be doing well in these multiple choice tests.